Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Windows firewall rules for ransomware protection, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, click on the Windows Start button. Type Windows Security into the search bar and hit enter. In the Windows Security window, select Firewall and Network Protection. You will see three network types: domain, private, and choose the network type you are currently connected to. Next, click on Advanced Settings located at the bottom of the window. This will open the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security interface. In the left pane, select Inbound Rules. Click on New Rule in the right pane. Choose Program as the rule type and click Next. Select this program path and browse for the executable file you want to protect. Click Next to set the action for the rule. Select Block the connection and then click Next. You will be prompted to specify when the rule applies. Keep all three options checked: domain, private, and public. Click Next to name your rule. Enter a descriptive name, such as Block Ransomware Program, and add an optional description. Then, click Finish to create the rule. You can also create outbound rules by selecting Outbound Rules from the left pane. Repeat the same process for outbound rules, ensuring to select Block the connection. Make sure to review existing rules to ensure they do. Once you are done, close the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security interface. Your updated firewall rules are now in effect, enhancing your ransomware protection. It is advisable to monitor these rules regularly and adjust them as needed. Stay informed about new ransomware threats and adapt your settings accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.